And telecom major Bharti Airtel, which is on a fundraising spree, has put the stake sale plan for its DTH arm on the fast track. The first round of bids, we understand, are over, and now the deal is closer to getting to the final stage. Let's get in Nisha Podar, who now joins in with the exclusive details. Nisha, who is likely the front runner for the deal?
At this moment, Avan, what I gather from my sources who are directly linked with this transaction is that Carlyle is seen as the front runner for picking up stake. That's a minority stake in Bharti's DTH arm. And remember, there are at least 6 private equity players which are in the fray right now. Standard Chartered private equity firm, which had not been named earlier, is also said to be in the fray amongst the other big private equity players like KKR, even Gap and Bain, apart from Carlyle, who are in the fray at the moment. There are 2 important things to be noted at this stage. First of all, this is the first round which has been completed. The second one is going to be the binding bids round, and that is going to be very important, with each of the players who are interested putting in bids, really getting a chance of doing the due diligence. So based on that, the clear winner will come out. So there's one more round to go. At the moment, Carlyle is clearly leading the race. But on the other hand, the valuation is one big thing. Bharti Airtel, remember, expects over $1 billion for the entire DTH business. And if it's selling up to 25% stake, it is looking at a substantial amount of money coming into its kitty. But then speaking to some of the interested players, I do gather that valuation is a moving part. It will be dependent on the due diligence done. And one more important thing to note here is that only private equity players are remaining in this particular deal, because remember, when we broke the story earlier, there were strategic players like Comcast as well as Liberty Global, the international players in the DTH space who were looking at a ticket entry into India, were looking at this DTH arm of Bharti Airtel at that point. But it looks like now only the private equity players are remaining. So that's the status check on this big deal that's happening.